guys, this is my new high chair. It's really, really big for me.
And it's nice and tall. Yeah, it's nice and tall, isn't it, Caitlin? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm up here with Mommy and Daddy now. Yes, I'm up here with Mommy and Daddy now.
Now we can just leave the camera right there. Here you go, kiddo. It's yours if you can play with it. Oh.
Hi, Caitlin. Hi. Hi. It's a big chair, because I'm getting to be a big girl. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
She looks so little. Hi, kiddo. Let's put you in the corner. This is where we're going to stick you when you're bad. We'll just leave you in the corner.
Look at that face.
Look at her, she looks so little in there.
She does. Like the only place she looks little. Everywhere else is huge.
Hi.
Caitlin, what does the kitty cat say? Meow. Kitty cat says meow.
Hi, kiddo. Get me out of this chair. I don't like this.
Either that or give me some food.
Love you. See you later. Everybody in my big chair. I didn't even see your feet.